I, me, myself. Okay. Now what is self? Me, myself. Okay. And why do we have to take care of ourselves? You can say take care of others. Why self-care? Why do you need to take care of yourself? Why care? You are the master of your body.
Because if we care ourselves, then we will be able to care for others. We must take care of ourselves because everything begins with us only. Everything begins with us only.
What begins with us only? Sir, no? आप अगर ख्याल नहीं रखते हैं, तो क्यों रखते हैं?
फिट रहने
फिट है। देखो सर, आप
शरीर एक मंदिर उसका ख्याल रखें।
फैमिली में डिवाइड आई एम फिट
If you are fit, you can keep your family.
शरीर का माध्यम संस्कार विकास सभी धर्म और कर्मों का साधन शरीर है, इसलिए इसको सुरक्षित रखेंगे हमारे सारे काम और कर्म अच्छे से चलें। इसलिए आपको फिट रखना बहुत है ही, लेकिन इसके अलावा अपने लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल बनाने के लिए भी सेल्फ केयर करना है।
So the fourth thing is, or the very important thing is,
दूसरा काम ये हो सकता है कि उम्र मतलब 60-70 साल मिला है तो उतना जी ले, इसके लिए अपने आप को बचा के रखना चाहिए।
self-care is important. One, to keep yourself fit, healthy, happy, so that because we are in constant contact with our students. We are in a profession that involves students, other teachers, parents, and many other stakeholders. So अगर हम अपना ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे, तो हम किसी दूसरे का ख्याल कैसे रख सकते हैं? Right? और किसी ने बोला है love thyself. Right? किसने बोला शादी में? Love thyself means the love begins with you. अगर आप अपने आप को प्यार करते हैं, तभी आप वो प्यार किसी और को कर पाएंगे, किसी से बांट पाएंगे. If you don't love yourself, if you're constantly doing things that are hurting your body, destroying your health, I don't think you will be able to give the same love to anybody else. That's not justified. Right? And there are many ways to take care of yourself. कोई बताएगा कि कैसे?
By being positive, by going for walk, by doing yoga, by talking to friends. Listening music.
How do you take care of yourself?
It's self-care about myself.
How? What do you do?
Meditation,
Do meditation? How long?
15 minutes.
Sharmati, how do you take care of yourself? अगर आप कर रहे हैं, अगर नहीं कर रहे हैं,
So I take care of myself and I do morning walk and exercise and something like that.
I believe that you are what you eat. So the first thing that comes to my mind is eating right. If we could control our urge in indulging in any type of wrong eating habit, 90% is solved.
So, meditation, sharing your feelings with friends, eating right, exercising, anything else? I think we have taken enough rest in this one month. Happy or happy not? So just ask yourself all these things. Like
Some
outside the house, and we are also able to take care of our household work.
I take care of myself by providing all the things to my body, whatever it needs.
Oh,
So
what does it take for
whenever it needs, whatever, I provide that.
Oh, very good, very good. That is the best answer. Okay. So we have a few other ways apart from eating right, exercising right, walking, meditating, saying a no. A simple no. Just think about it. Right. ठीक है आपको काम करना है fine, but there is time. जैसे मैम ने बोला we need rest every day. Suppose I go home, take my lunch, and I sleep for some time. And अमृता मैम का एक मैसेज आ गया कि इधर पे ये अभी करना है. So I will say, ma'am, I am taking rest. So it's a no. I can do it after 1 hour. And if it is so urgent, ma'am, please delegate somebody else. Right? So please learn to say no when you need time, when your body needs you, when your mind needs to rest. Right? Taking a step back. Sometimes we are going ahead, हम लोग चलते जा रहे हैं, चलते जा रहे हैं, चलते जा रहे हैं, करते जा रहे हैं, पढ़ाते जा रहे हैं, असाइनमेंट्स कलेक्ट करते जा रहे हैं, वर्कशीट्स बांटते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन we are not having a peaceful mind. वो स्ट्रेस दिमाग में है हमेशा. तो थोड़ा सा एक स्टेप पीछे चले जाइए, एक दिन रिलैक्स कर लीजिए. ठीक है, आप एक दिन छोड़ दीजिए बच्चों, फॉर एग्जाम्पल छोड़ दीजिए. उस दिन पूछिए ही मत कि हाँ कॉपीज दे दो, वर्कशीट्स दे दो, असाइनमेंट्स दे दो, छोड़ दीजिए. क्योंकि योर माइंड नीड्स रेस्ट. Your mind actually needs rest. You have to de-stress yourself so that you can revitalize yourself and go again in the class with the newer energy, a fresher view. Staying at home, it's not a very feasible option for us. Once we are working, we are working. We stay at home on holidays, of course, and we want to spend time doing our favorite activities. That is also a part of self-care. So, whenever we have time, stay at home, take rest. Putting yourself first, asking for what you need and forgiving yourself. आपने गलत कर दिया, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. उसके लिए आपको अपने आप को परेशान करने की जरूरत नहीं है. A lot of people start smoking, a lot of people start taking drugs. कि हाँ मेरे से गलत हो गया है, नुकसान हो गया है, so they start hurting themselves. Please don't do that. Or any other form where ultimately your body is at the receiving end in a very, very negative way which cannot be. So don't punish yourself. It's okay. Right? So in these little ways also we can take care of ourselves. Now I want to ask this question to you. You think for 1 minute and then you answer. How many of you know that you are suffering from some medical yourself a pat. Please give yourself a pat. Appreciate yourself कि आपको इस लिस्ट में से कुछ नहीं है. हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है, हाई बीपी है, शुगर है, ओवरवेट है. आपको कैसे पता आप ओवरवेट हैं? हाँ, सब लेडीज को लगता है कि वो ओवरवेट है. मैं ओवरवेट नहीं, हालांकि मैं लग रही होती हूँ. हालांकि मैं लग रही होती हूँ.
मैं ओवरवेट था.
Okay, very good. Now you have overcome very good. Stress. कितनों को स्ट्रेस नहीं है? कितनों को स्ट्रेस नहीं है? नहीं है. क्योंकि ये सारा स्ट्रेस हम लोगों को देते हैं. इसीलिए इनको स्ट्रेस नहीं है ना. छुट्टी वाले दिन मतलब कल रात को जब ये मैसेज फ्लैश हो गया ये स्केड्यूलर का हो इतना काम करना पड़ा. ठीक है. वो देख के मैं थक गई कल से.
अगर स्ट्रेस वही हो
हाँ, आधा स्ट्रेस वही होगा उसको मैं देख के ही थक गई. हो
और उसके पहले का स्ट्रेस उसको मैं रिलीज हो
हाँ, उसके तब मैम डिस्ट्रेस हो गई कि हाँ मैंने तो अब दे दिया है अब झेल लो. ठीक है. सो स्ट्रेस डिप्रेशन. Okay, very good. She had no hemoglobin and now she ate right, exercising, everything. She's very good now. So these are some common ailments. Of course, one with age, one with profession, personal life, professional life. सबकी वजह से ये सब होता है. It's all normal. But what is not normal is you not identifying these ailments in yourself and not taking care of yourself. Not excellent. There are a lot of people उनकी रिपोर्ट्स क्या आ जाएगा पढ़ने की हमने तो कुछ खाया फिर ये शुगर कैसे बढ़. हमने तो कुछ ऐसा खाया ही नहीं. हम तो ऐसा खा भी नहीं रहे कि जो हम ओवरवेट हो रहे. बट आप खा तो रहे.
Sugar का major cause. The major cause of sugar is not consuming the sweets, but the refined, जितने भी refined products होते हैं वो what?
शुगर
Rice, मैदा, जैसे कि जितने refined products आपका इतना ज़्यादा sugar level आपका करेगा. So please try to consume thoroughly.
What he means is eat right. There are a lot of people जिनको मैदा ही सूट करता है. There are a lot of people जिनको white sugar ही सूट करता है. ठीक है. आपकी बॉडी को क्या सूट करता है? White sugar, that is what I say. White sugar सब कहते हैं कि it is dangerous, but मेरा sugar नॉर्मल है. Touch. But अगर आपको पता है कि आपको ये एलिमेंट है तो उसका ख्याल रखना आपकी जिम्मेवारी है. You are responsible for your own health. कोई और नहीं आएगा ख्याल. Right? And this is what is the major important thing in this part of the session, that how to take care of yourself. If you don't know, just sit in one place and think what you have done and not done and just unwind yourself. That is also taking care of yourself. Right? आप बैठ जाइए, मेडिटेट कर लीजिए, म्यूजिक सुन लीजिए. There are so many ways of taking care of yourself. But please take care of yourself because your health, your fitness, your body, mind and soul is important for your students. Students start with family first. For your children, for your spouses, for your friends. It's very, very important. Do we have solutions for these? Is medicine the only way to take care of these ailments that are listed? Exercises, meditation, lifestyle changes. Anything else? For exercises, next session on time management. We have time, ma'am. We all have the same time. We all have the same time, 24 hours. उसी के अंदर सब कुछ करता है. Right? आपको वो प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट बनानी पड़ेगी कि हाँ पहले मेरा स्कूल है या पहले मेरी फैमिली है, उसके बाद तभी वो बाकी चीजें आप अचीव कर पाएंगे जो आपकी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में है। फैमिली, बच्चे, स्पाउस, फ्रेंड्स, गोइंग आउट, ट्रैवलिंग, सब कुछ। Okay. What do we do for our health and for our wellness? Are we happy? Can I have one answer? Are we happy? Yes. बहुत ही low response है, not even 50% said yes. Are we happy?
Sometimes yes, sometimes.
That is fine. I'm asking in general. Are you sad all the time or are you angry all the time?
Sometimes yes.
Are you frustrated all the time? No. The basic general thing is be happy. Be happy. If you are happy, that means you are loving your body. You are taking care of your body. You are taking care of yourself. You love yourself. And you are capable, you are able to take care of others, to love others, and to bring happiness to others. Right? I would just sum up.
Mom is going to interrupt here. आप में से just speak completely the language. Okay, आप हिंदी बोल सकते हैं, इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं और मैगली बहन छिए आवे छिए whatever. I can understand that language also. और वो छपरा में बोलते हैं गारा जातारा बाटा वगैरह. I can understand that language also. That means you can speak in any language which I can understand, right? So first thing is happiness. बहुत अच्छा सा वर्ड है, बट हैप्पीनेस का मतलब क्या होता है? मे बी मैम के लिए हैप्पीनेस होगा आइसक्रीम खाना, सर के लिए हैप्पीनेस होगा स्विमिंग करना, शाली मैम के लिए हैप्पीनेस होगा घर पे जाना और सोना. सो व्हाट इज हैप्पीनेस? वन यूनिवर्सल डेफिनेशन और लाइन फॉर दिस. One universal, a common definition, a common answer I need from you all people. And one more thing, please put your phone down. I think few minutes ago, कुछ देर पहले मैंने watch किया कि कुछ लोग they were busy with their phones और the phone is I think the one of the worst invention of this on this planet. Phone. ये एक का डब्बा. Usually I use this word in the class. Okay, when I used to explain something about this, I give them this word. ये computer, एक का डब्बा और phone भी then make a computation. एक का डब्बा. Yes, because we have designed, हम लोगों ने अपने आप को ऐसा डिजाइन कर लिया है कि हम लोग इस स्क्रीन के डब्बे के बिना जी नहीं सकते हैं. Right? So happiness means what?
What is happiness? Money. That's very right. Money. Salary में बहुत अच्छा दे देते हैं.
Anything that makes us feel better about maybe ourselves. It can be anything. It can be a small memory. Where sometimes you feel nostalgic by remembering something that makes us smile. And usually we think about something when we are when we are at our lowest and think of something which brings smile on our face. That is happiness. Sometimes we see someone else very happy and we love that person. That could be your children, anyone. That makes us feel happy. That is happiness. Sometimes when we see changes in ourselves which we want to see, which we wanted to see long back and then see now, that is happiness. The flow of basically, in a scientific term, we can say the flow of serotonin and dopamine in our body that it generates, it is happiness. That is the only thing that we enjoy. So I believe.
I think if
Oh, sorry. Shruti ma'am, what is
Anyone?
happiness?
activity that makes us peace.
Okay.
Peace.
Very good.
Peace.
Happiness means satisfaction. What you are satisfied with, that is only happiness.
In given moment, because आज आप happy हैं, but that happiness is not universal और ना ही वो आपका permanent है. If today you are happy, this how you are happy, next आप sad.
जिस काम को करने से हमें खुशी मिलती है उससे happiness.
What is खुशी?
to feel happy way, to feel good. Yes.
Anybody else? That gentleman,
Happiness is a state of mind when we are satisfied with situation and our surrounding, and when we are doing something and we are satisfied, then we are happy.
एक दूसरे से प्यार करना, हम लोग प्यार करना
So, excuse me, can you define love? What is love?
they're asking, are you married to understand love? Are you married to understand love? Do we?
I don't think
Because
so.
not married is possibility.
You love your study, you love your career, you love yourself, you love the nature, you love the forest, you love the earth, you love the humanity. There are lots of different kinds of love and different forms of love.
You
Right?
don't have to have a marital status to feel love or to feel happy. To understand what is love, you don't have to get married. Right? We don't have to get a certificate. हाँ, ठीक है. Now I am in love. शादी करने का doesn't mean love. Certificate sir. छाप का पूरा. क्या बोले सभी?
शादी हो जाने के बाद जो है वो लव का अंत है।
Very good. Says a person who has been in a relationship and married to the same person. Sameer. Okay. So, ठीक है, fine. So,
As you know, we don't have the power right now. We power नहीं है और exactly very sorry. So next image है जब तक power resume नहीं होता I can't show you. Right? Sorry for that. Okay. In general, what we do for our wellness? सबसे बड़ी problem तो ये है कि we don't have time. Right? Exactly before planning this session or making all this PPT, okay, I had discussion and talk with a lots of people. मैंने कई लोगों के पास मैं गया, उन लोगों से मैंने बातें की, what are the things, how, and
Okay,
I
please.
assessed at least 8 to 10 people of different age group of this school, of different field. They are knowing about themselves. Very sorry, I'm not going to take the name. Right? वहाँ से मैंने ये सारे ideas pick किए. And you know what in general we do for our wellness in general. What I see, what I feel. Right? अभी power होता है ना, तो आप लोगों को यहाँ स्क्रीन पे एक
अच्छा ठीक है, अभी reveal मत करो. It's okay. You can go and talk about the next topic, which is
right. We'll show you that.
which is time management. First was self-care, and the next is time management. This will come to this part after.
Okay, so in general, ऐसे यहाँ पे कितने सारे लोग हैं जो सुबह between 4 to 5 वे लीव करते हैं? Between 4 to 5 जो उठते हैं। सुबह 4 से 5 के बीच उठने वाले लोग। 3 4
और 3 to 4 वाले भी हैं. Very good.
3 to
You
4
are the legend.
sometime okay 4 to 5 5 6 में कितने लोग between 5 and 6
5 a.m. to 6 a.m.
6 7
6 a.m. to 7 a.m. कोई है? Sometime. Very good. We have to reach school by 7:15. Anybody waking up at 7?
No. Okay. So it's well now next thing is here. कितने सारे लोग around 10 between 10 और 11 वो बेड पे चले जाते हैं, सोने चले जाते हैं. 10 11 between 10 and 11 10 11 after 11 11 के बाद सोने वाले कितने लोग हैं? I think my voice is loud enough. No. Okay, तो 11 से 12 बजे रात के बीच सोने वाले कितने लोग हैं? और 12 बजे के बाद 12 बजे के बाद वंडरफुल. Great.
Oh, very good मैम, very good. उसके बाद भी आपके पास टाइम नहीं है? What time? The whole summer also. Every time. My maid, she used to ring the bell at 4:45. Oh, very good. You are only waking up because of your maid. So what we want to say in time management is it is the same 24 hours. Like we just have to prioritize our tasks urgent जो कि आप ही को करते हैं. So we put those tasks on the top most. Not urgent तो उसको बाद में schedule करेंगे. Some are important and some are not important. The things which are not important that can be delegated to somebody else, and likewise that somebody else can delegate their set of things to you. So this also helps us in building relationships, helps us in building our interpersonal relationships, also helps in collaboration. School में ही हमने कई बार साइंस में कोई टॉपिक चल रहा है, सर ये वाला समझा दीजिए क्योंकि मेरा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इसी से रिलेटेड. हम लोग ये कोलैबोरेशन करते हैं हिस्ट्री के साथ, राइट? सो दिस इज वन इज इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स, द सेकंड इज कोलैबोरेशन. इन द एंड who all are benefited? It is your students who are being benefited by this current years that we are. It is not easy to manage time, not easy. Sometimes we feel that 24 hours are just not enough, but we all are living, we all are carrying on, and that is one reason that we are not able to finish our task in time. We have to stay back and do, because in the end we do not want our students to suffer. We do not want our family to suffer. If you are staying back, your family is being affected, right? And when your family is being affected, then you might not feel very happy about it. And when you are not happy, you will not be able to give your 100% to anything that you are doing, be it your work, be it your personal life or anything. उस दिन खाना भी शायद ढंग से नहीं होता है, because we are not happy. Cooking is an art. और जब तक आप खुश नहीं हैं, आपसे खाना भी ढंग से नहीं, कभी नमक कम हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, कभी मिर्च ज़्यादा डल जाएगी, because something else is going on in your life.
I think all audience.
Whatever. It was just one example.
Okay, fine. And what we do in general for our wellness? Am I right?
This is what we do.
In general, it's not specific. Is it right or wrong?
आपको समझ में आई क्या? ये घंटा है. हम घंटा कर रहे हैं अपनी सेल्फ केयर. हम घंटा कर रहे हैं अपनी बॉडी को फिट रखने के लिए. हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं सेल्फ केयर के लिए.
Right or wrong? ये कुछ हद तक या काफी हद तक whatever, ये सही है या गलत है?
सही है.
Reality. Again, fine. So, lots of things are here to discuss. Even if we set यदि 24 घंटे बैठा तो आई थिंक 24 घंटे भी डिस्कस करते रह जाएंगे. And exactly the knowledge, information, they have no end. Right? First thing is the body and mind. Right? यदि हमारा body और mind मेरी voice Okay, the most important thing is body and mind, right? और शायद मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था कि healthy body में ही healthy और healthy mind रहता है. Where the healthy mind is right? Healthy mind. Okay, आप में से कितने लोग स्वस्थ हैं? Please raise your hand. आप में से कितने लोग अपने आप को स्वस्थ समझते हैं? Please raise your hand. समझते हैं, feel करते हैं. ग्राउंड का 4 चक्कर 500 500 इसके
पर आप
पर
बोले कि आप कितने लोग फील करते हैं, तो वो फील तो अब होंगे तो वो टेस्ट
you only feel when you have trust on yourself. Yes, I have trust on myself. I can pass this examination. I can just show this presentation because I have trust on myself. I'm doing something. यदि हम कुछ करेंगे तभी फील करेंगे ना. अब हम कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हैं. अच्छा कल तो मुझे प्लेन उड़ाना है. But I don't have any degree. ये सब चीजें. Right? तो वो फील करना है या डे ड्रीमिंग है. Is that the daydreaming or feel करना? तो ऐसा daydreaming है. Point. Right. Okay. So one point is here on the next slide. Okay, ये हमारे योगा बहुत रामदेव बाबा के आने के बाद से ना ये बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया है कि नगर में बच्चे भी जानने और यूज करने लगे हैं टर्म योगा. पर योगा इज नॉट ओनली दैट वो बैठ जाते हैं योगा मैट बिछा के योगा ड्रेस ले लिया वो और मतलब सॉरी आई डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस दिस थिंग इन डीप राइट. तो वो कर लिया दैट इज नॉट अ योगा. योगा कंसिस्ट ऑफ इज 8 पार्ट्स. दिस इज योगा. इन 8 में से कितने को आप फॉलो करते हैं? Please, anyone? आसन, कौन सा लोग करेक्ट पोस्टर में नहीं बैठे हुए हैं? Very sorry to say this. प्राणायाम, okay, शायद कुछ लोग करते हो. Okay, ध्यान, अगेन बहुत ही कम लोग समाधि वो लोग हैं. What is this? नियम, right? यम and नियम. Moral observance and self-discipline. तो यम and नियम कितने लोग फॉलो करते हैं? नियम, self-discipline. Mom would like to hear some self-discipline. बस एक या दो.
मैंने अपने मेडिटेशन का टाइम फिक्स कर रखा है और उसमें मैं नियम पालन करती हूँ. उस टाइम पे मैं बैठती हूँ. ठीक है. मेडिटेशन का टाइम मैंने फिक्स कर रखा है और वो नियम मैं फॉलो करती हूँ. वो सिर्फ डिसिप्लिन है मेरे में कि और खाने में भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने सोच रखी जो मुझे नहीं खानी है. जो खानी है वो मैं ज़रूर खाती हूँ.
लास्ट टाइम मैंने कोल्ड ड्रिंक कर दिया था या इवन मैंने और इवन I do these things. Okay, even my family members used to say, even my friends also, कि अभी तुम्हारा ये हाल है, कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं, समोसा नहीं, बाहर का खाना नहीं, शुगर नहीं, टेबल सॉल्ट नहीं. If you यदि आप स्वस्थ तरीके से जिंदा रहना चाहते हैं, then you have to suffer, you have to torture yourself for positive, for good. Torture is not that when आप नीचे जंप करेंगे. Okay, torture is to regulate yourself, that also. Positive through negative. और यहाँ पे एक और स्लाइड है, यहाँ पे वैदिक पीरियड में ही मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बताया गया था. और अभी मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में जस्ट आई वांट टू डिस्कस और वांट टू पुट सम पॉइंट बिफोर यू कि ये 1856 दिस 18th सेंचुरी में ये जितने मेंटल हेल्थ प्रैक्टिसेस ये सारी थ्योरीज हैं इसमें डेवलप हुई 18th सेंचुरी में, राइट. बट हमारे जो वेदा हैं और योग है ये सभी लगभग 1800 to 600 सॉरी 1500 to 600 BC ओल्ड है. अराउंड 2500 से 3500 साल पुराना. बट व्हाट वी प्रेफर? मेडिसिन की शॉप पे जाओ, 4 टैबलेट्स लो, अंदर रिलैक्स, राइट. फूड इज द मेडिसिन. फूड, नॉट दोस केमिकल पिल्स जिसमें केमिकल्स होते हैं. अल्टीमेटली वो आपके फूड से ही बनाया जाता है या कुछ केमिकल कंपाउंड से बनाया जाता है. Oh, here you will see this पंचकोशा system. Okay, ये तैतृ उपनिषद के टेक्स्ट है जो कि अराउंड 2000 साल पहले लिखा गया था. Right? Exactly how many bodies we have? We have physical body, DNA, cell, tissue. You can see this slide. Last में जिन लोगों को नहीं दिख रहा है तो no worries. I will read some of them. Right? Physical body. After that, energetic field, aura, biomagnetic field. Then we have daily mind, emotions, feeling, like, dislike, etc. Then we have Vijnanamay Kosh, wisdom, higher mind, inner conscience, inner voice, values, belief system, and so on. And last, Anandamay Kosha, that is the bliss, blissfulness. Exactly all the running for this only, na? Yes or no? Yes or no? What about money then? Paisa. So we are running to attain a condition वो blissfulness state को attain करने के लिए हम लोग सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं, पैसा पाने के लिए सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं. Very difficult question. I think we should maintain a proper balance between both.
Money can't buy happiness.
But to survive in this world, हम लोग actually हम हमारा नॉलेज है. या चांद में नहीं है, तो exactly to survive, to live in this world, we have to maintain a proper balance, proper multi-dimensional balance among all these things. Okay, so various stages of self-care, right? Here is the summary. We will discuss them one by one. First, how we can take care of our mind, brain. Okay? Number one, meditation. We have a 5-minute session here for meditation also, right? How many people are doing the meditation? At least 21 days in a month. 1 महीने में कम से कम 21 कितने लोग मेडिटेशन करते हैं? Minimum 10 minutes per day. Please raise your hand. Not 50% also. Okay. Reading last book. Last thing, बता सकते हैं कल आप में से किसी ने कोई बुक पढ़ा था? Reading, it's not literally a course book. Please kick out your course book. Kick your course book. Course book is still included नहीं है. You might be reading the Gita, you may be reading the Robin Sharma books or whatever, content literature, sci-fi, novel, whatever. Learning. You are learning really?
Yes, I want. I can talk about myself.
Okay, so learning, we have two things in learning. One, what world is learning? बाकी लोग सीख रहे हैं how to cook rice, dal and chawal. I'm also going to learn how to cook dal and chawal. But I'm thinking about कि दाल चावल से खिचड़ी कैसे बनाएं? कुछ नया. How many of us have that kind of approach? ऐसा approach हम में से कितने के पास है? दाल चावल तो सभी बना रहे हैं, पर उस दाल चावल से खिचड़ी बनाना सीखना, right? Something new. ऐसा learning approach हम में से कितनों के पास है? I think 1%, only 1%, because it includes lots of failure, right? और फिर उन्हें से सबको डर लगता है, right? हाँ, उसका बड़ा exception. But हाँ, I'm trying to take control over it. Anyone can? Again, body, food. You must know what is right. Right? Up junk food. कल आप लोगों ने खाया मशरूम?
Once in a while, yes.
Oil, excess oil. Ghee is much better than oil. अच्छा, तो एक बात बताइए, इनमें से कितनों के घर पे ऑयल, टेबल सॉल्ट, व्हाइट सॉल्ट, टाटा whatever ब्रांड और चीनी नहीं आता है, restricted है. ऑयल, रिफाइंड ऑयल ना, रिफाइंड ऑयल, शुगर, व्हाइट शुगर और व्हाइट सॉल्ट restricted है. घर पे नहीं आते हैं, almost negligible amount. अनिता मैम. चीनी, नमक और रिफाइंड ऑयल. कर लेंगे और lots of information on their own Google, right? Again, rest, proper rest and sleep. Okay, it means ये नहीं कि आप शाम में 6 बजे सोएं तो कल सुबह 10 बजे नींद और इतनी जगा रहा है. Sometimes doesn't happen.
Sometimes yes.
Sometimes
Yes.
6 से 10.
So what? So what? Your body needs rest and time. It's self-care.
Exercise. आप में से कितने लोग डेली कुछ एक्टिविटी करते हैं? Exercise. Physical activity. Right. Okay. So we request you, hopefully, not sure, which your form and those who are doing the regular physical activity, please आपको अपना नाम दे, आपने मेरे WhatsApp chat पे अपना नाम भेज दें. Surely we'll try to do something. Okay. कि वो check और test हो सके. फिर शायद हमारे पास कुछ टाइम होता तो physical activity. But okay. Daily physical activity for minimum 15 minutes. Best and simple skipping. रस्सी कूदना. For all, सभी के लिए. Right? It's not a gender specific, age specific or whatever. Now environment, surrounding. Right? 3 points. Give, share. Right? कितने लोग आप में से कितने बिलीव करते हैं इन शेयरिंग और गिविंग? श्योर? 100%? Okay, from tomorrow I will start sharing. Again, multi-dimensional sharing. I will not go deep. Take, of course, sometimes you need to take your steps back, sometimes you need to take your things back. Whatever आपने कुछ स्पेशल केस ऑफ मनी, जब आपने एक लोगों को पैसा दे दिया तो वापस सामने में बहुत तेज स्टेट फील होता है, राइट ना? राइट? अपना फोन दे दिया तो वो बंदा यूज किए जा रहा है, पता चला वो मूवी डाउनलोड कर रहा है आपका डाटा यूज करके और एग्जैक्टली यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक. Ultimately, this is indirectly connected to saying no, right? Or asking to ask, just to ask for the help. To ask for any kind of proper and genuine favor. Proper and genuine favor. ये नहीं कि आपको exactly कहीं इसका आपका रिपेयर करना है. Exactly I'm going to ask Aman sir, Rajesh sir, चलिए ना. That is not allowed for the asking. Okay, for any constructive work, quality work, feel free to ask, and this is the duty of those people to extend you the possible support as and where possible. Possible support as and where possible. Maybe I am not in a condition to help to extend my help to anyone. Okay. Again, one of the most important thing, बहुत सारे लोगों को यहाँ ये प्रॉब्लम होती है कि how to meditate, what is meditation? I can't sit for 10 minutes, only 10 minutes per day. Once again, I would request कि please आपके हाथ में, even आपके body में कहीं भी मोबाइल है, in your pocket, hand, with your diary, whatever, please put your phone down, exactly below your chair or in your bag. Please do it fast. 10 seconds for this. Exactly below your chair or down. Okay? आपका फोन आपके बॉडी के टच में नहीं होना चाहिए. Done? Okay. So please sit straight and ready to meditate for 2 minutes each for each music track. करना कुछ नहीं है, simply close your eyes. आप को क्लोज करेंगे and to close eyes. Okay, आपको कोशिश करना है अपने नोज पे देखने का. Close your eyes and listen the music and try to focus and concentrate on the tip of your nose. Okay, ready? में just the things which are not very fruitful or useful, we are sticking to those things only. Correct? जैसे अब नमक खाना, चीनी खाना, मेडिटेशन के नाम को बाबा रामदेव का वो चला था, वो बैठा ना जाके 4 मिनट बोलते अच्छा वीडियो देख रहे हैं, मेरा योगा मेडिटेशन हो गया. Right? Now once again ready to experience the music. Next track. Please close your eyes. Try to see the tip of your nose. Sorry for interruption. But in general, okay, we are not very specific to certain choice, right? In general, the second track, second audio track जो था, okay, that was the meditation. We can do that with the music. Exactly, music will help you a lot to meditate and to focus. Even just for 10 minutes only, you can search lots of track on YouTube. Time management, right? बहुत सारे लोग में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है मेडिटेशन करें 10 मिनट एक्सरसाइज करने का टाइम नहीं है और ईट राइट और रॉन्ग का चूज करने का समय जो मिला वो खा लिए करेक्ट बट एग्जैक्टली वी ऑल हैव 24 hours whether that are fitness freak you can research our fitness freak first of all right so you can see lots of people on the online website, Google, YouTube, okay, they are the expert of all these things. Right? We know that 24 hours only, overall it is 6,400 seconds. Body need a 5 to 6 hours sleep. Right? और यदि ancient कुछ scriptures को उठाकर पढ़ें तो शायद वहाँ पे जो लोग 3 से 4 घंटे मानसिक सोया करते थे. We can learn those techniques or not. यदि हम लोग डेली 1 घंटा स्लीप अपने में से सिलेक्ट करें तो एक साल में हमारे पास 365 आवर्स एक्स्ट्रा होंगे और एक महीने में मिनिमम 28 to 31 आवर्स एक्स्ट्रा होंगे ऑन एवरेज 30 घंटा करेक्ट 30 घंटे में हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं एक बुक पढ़ सकते हैं कोई नई चीज सीख सकते हैं किसी स्पोर्ट्स में भाग ले सकते हैं just by managing 1 hour only. So it's our choice. Here I'm not going to suggest you anything. How you are managing your time, it's your resource, it's your money, whether you utilize it or just to get choice is yours. Okay, we have one chart that I want to show you exactly. You can just paste this, you can download it from the internet, you can make it on the paper, or you can make it on the paper or whatever. See this digital matrix, right? This is very important, and that is the last also, right? What is important and what is urgent? If some something is very important, very urgent, then you have to take the charge, you have to take the responsibility. Correct? Maybe you important, urgent है but important नहीं है, you can delegate anyone. Whatever, whoever, school or the family, right? ये कोई मेरी help कर दो or whatever. It totally depends on interpersonal relationship. So you have to develop. You have to take care of the interpersonal relationship also. We'll suggest and request you ये आप बना के right अपने घर पे, अपने work place पे, अपने work desk पे please इसको चिपका लें. This will really help you because habit we can't develop a habit in a one day. Okay, habits develop करने में time लगता है. The best way is take the printer and paste it at various places. At your home or at your workplace, right? This was the last, and that's all. We are running over time, and it's 52 minutes 20 seconds total, right?